Hey there, folks. If you're an HSBC customer in the UK and need to deposit some cash or a check at an ATM, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, this guide will make banking a breeze. Let's dive in. First things first, locate a nearby HSBC ATM. You can find one using the HSBC app or their website, and always choose a well-lit, safe location to avoid any issues. Once you're there, insert your HSBC debit or credit card into the slot on the ATM machine. Make sure it's facing the right way. Usually, the chip goes in first. Next, the ATM will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN. Type it in carefully and hit enter. For security reasons, cover the keypad with your hand to prevent anyone from seeing your code. After that, you'll see a menu of options on the screen. Look for and select Deposit or Cash, Check Deposit. It might be under a sub-menu, so take a second to read the options. Now, the ATM will ask what you're depositing. Choose between cash, check, or both if applicable. If it's cash, you'll be instructed to place your notes into an envelope provided by the ATM. For checks, make sure they're endorsed and placed in the envelope too. Follow the on-screen instructions to insert the envelope into the designated slot. Double-check that you've included the correct amount to avoid any mistakes. Once your deposit is registered, the ATM will ask you to confirm the details. Review everything on the screen, then select Confirm to proceed. The machine will process your deposit, and you'll get a receipt. Don't forget to take it for your records. And just like that, you're done. Remember, always keep an eye on your surroundings for safety, and if you run into any problems, contact HSBC customer service right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips on everyday banking. See you next time.